In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. How are you all? Well, students, I am your teacher of subject English. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, let me tell you about day and date. So today is 13th of January 2021 and day is Wednesday. Let's move ahead to see the topic of today's lecture. And you can see here it's unit 10 Beauty and the Beast part 2, which we have done the reading the book work as well. And the topic of today's lecture is words, meanings, word sentences and two long question answer, because we have more question answer like the long one. That's why we are going to do only two question answer along with the words, meaning and sentences. So here you can see the initial page of the Beauty and the Beast. Actually you must be very familiar with the with this interesting story, as it's been very interesting to all of the students. And I'm just going to give you a recap of the Beauty and the Beast, as it's all depend on the main character, which is Beauty, and merchant, who is the father of the Beauty, and he has grown up children like Joseph, Jack, April, June, George and the Beauty. Okay, and the Beauty is the most affectionate and the kind and the beautiful beautiful child of the merchant. And first of all, in the initial days, merchant and his family has to face two main losses, like the loss of the flames in the warehouse, and secondly he has to lose the ingredients which they were bringing from the ship. Okay, and then they went to the castle, to the forest to find the job, and how they faced to the beast after picking the rose. Okay, and then how merchant gave beast one of his daughter as to be the wife of beast. Okay, and finally they were blessed by the merchant. Okay, like they both gathered, and prince transformed himself into a जो beast था वो कैसे transform हुआ prince में. Okay, that was all about Beauty and the Beast. Okay, words, meaning. So today first of all we are going to do the words, meanings. So dear students, you have to do the words meaning on your notebook, the same way the previous method as we have been doing in the class. You have to do the same, like draw the margin line and draw the middle line in for the words meanings on the page, and then please write the unit number, unit name and then topic as well. Okay, words meaning, you can see here the words meaning given in front of you. Number one is the generous. Generous meaning kind. generous का मतलब होता है जो बहुत मेहरबान हो. ठीक है, generous meaning is kind. Number two is the state meaning condition, means क्या हालत है, क्या एक state होता है जो कोई रियासत को कहते हैं. ठीक है, और एक state होता है किसी की condition, उसकी क्या हालत है वो उसको describe करना. ठीक है. Number three is overjoyed meaning very happy, means बहुत ज़्यादा excited हो जाना. Number four is the fault meaning mistake, यानी कि गलती. Fault meaning mistake. Number five is the dreadful meaning shocking, कुछ हैरान कुन हो जाना. ठीक है. So number one is generous kind, state meaning condition, overjoyed meaning very happy. Number four is fault meaning mistake, and number five is dreadful meaning shocking. Here you go, you can see the word sentences, and you have to do the word sentences to the very next page of your copy. Okay, you can see here number one is beauty sentence is that Beauty got married with beast. ठीक है, यानी कि ब्यूटी की शादी हुई beast के साथ. You can make your own sentence by your own creativity. Beauty loves her father. This is the second sentence. You can write one of them. ठीक है, दो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, you can write one of them. Beauty loves her father. Number two is wonderful. We had a wonderful time. Like हमने बहुत wonderful time spend किया. ठीक है, we had a wonderful time. Number three is necklace. I bought a new necklace. मैंने एक नया necklace खरीदा. ठीक है, necklace. I bought a new necklace. Number 4 is promise. She made a promise. या फिर शी प्रॉमिस्ड मी टू मीट मी, शी प्रॉमिस्ड टू मीट मी, ठीक है, इस तरह का भी सेंटेंस हो सकता है। नंबर 5 इज़ रिटर्न मीनिंग वापस आना। ही हैज़ रिटर्नड माई बुक, उसने मुझे मेरी बुक वापस कर दी है। और जॉर्ज रिटर्न होम, या फिर ये होगा कि जॉर्ज वापस घर आया, ठीक है। यू कैन सी ब्यूटी गॉट मैरिड विद बीस्ट, ब्यूटी लव्स हर फादर, वंडरफुल, वी हैड अ वंडरफुल टाइम। नेकलेस, आई बॉट अ न्यू नेकलेस। प्रॉमिस, शी मेड अ प्रॉमिस। रिटर्नड, ही हैज़ रिटर्नड माई बुक, और जॉर्ज रिटर्नड होम, ठीक है। That's all for today's lecture and question answer. Now we are moving to the question answer. You can see first two question answer. Where are the merchant and George returning from? यानी कि merchant और George जो है वो कहाँ से वापस आ रहे थे? So the answer is the merchant and George are returning from the castle of the beast in the forest. यानी कि जो merchant और George है वो वापस आ रहे हैं from the castle, महल से, of the beast, दरिंदे के, in the forest, जंगल में, ठीक है। This is the number 1 question. Now you can see question number 2. What kind of news does the merchant bring back? किस किस्म की न्यूज़ जो है वो मर्चेंट वापस लेकर आए? What kind of news does the merchant bring back? The merchant brings the news, मर्चेंट जो है वो न्यूज़ लेकर आता है of sending one of his daughter, कि उसे एक अपनी बेटी भेजनी पड़ेगी to the beast castle, उस बीस्ट के महल में, टू गेट मैरिड विद हिम, ताकि वो उससे शादी कर सके, ठीक है। So we have to do today only 2 questions. Rest of the question answer we'll do inshallah by tomorrow. So homework is that do work on notebook, means words meanings, what sentences, and 2 long question, ठीक है। There are 5 long question. So rest of the question answer we'll do inshallah in our tomorrow's lecture, okay. So you have to do words meaning and word sentences on your notebooks. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.